Online classes, every single student knows that these are not much useful and also they are not effective on studies. But attendance is important. So why don't we just create a Python bot to automate our online classes and fill our attendance? So let's get started.
So you can see here our bot has joined the online class and it says please wait for the host to start this meeting and my physics teacher's name. So let's start creating it and we will be starting out with main.py and let's see what are the requirements of this file. So first we will going to import date and time and it says it's just date and time. Then we are going to import schedule library. So schedule library in Python is just a basic way of saying an alarm clock. And what an alarm clock does is it just keeps running and check it's whether the time to do the task or not. So I will explain it along the way. And then it's import time, so it's just basic time, seconds and minutes. Then we have from Selenium import WebDriver. So this is a very important step in our Python program because Selenium is a very advanced library in Python that allows us to automate websites and basically web browsers. And since we are going to use join Google meetings, Microsoft Teams meeting and Zoom meetings, so we will need to automate this WebDriver thing like Google Chrome. Then we have info.py and join.py, so I will explain it in a minute. Then let's just quickly learn what we have here. So date log, date and time, so just import what's date and time today, import what's today's day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever it is. Then print day and current time. It will print time here, what is time, and we will use time in other ways also. Now these functions Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday. So what we are going to do here, so you can see here we have used schedule library, schedule dot every Monday at first class do join English. So here's the stuff. As I said, schedule library is just an alarm clock. So we are setting an kind of alarm to do every Monday at first class. So first class is a timing, it must be a time in Monday. Do join. So at first class, and here in info.py we have this first class, and let me just explain you what we have in info.py. So once you download the code from GitHub, which will be in description and you can find all the links in description. So here you need to define all of your classes timings. So if you have first class on 8:30, you will enter first class 8:30, then second class 9:10 or whatever you time you have your classes on. So that's the thing. Then if you need to enter all the links for subjects. So basically just enter English class link. So I have English class link, maths class, biology class, physics, chemistry and dummy. So let me, okay, yeah, so you just need to enter the links for all the classes and the timings when the classes will start. So basically you are going to fill this stuff according to your timetable. Then at every Monday at first class do join English. So you must have understood now what it says. And same thing goes here, schedule every Monday at second class. So second class is, oh sorry, so second class is at 9:10. So at 9:10 join maths. Then all of the stuff will continue, and if you have more than 5 classes in a day, you can just add another line, schedule every Monday, just like this, schedule every Monday at 6th class do join whatever subject you have. So that is it. And by the way, yes, if you add a 6th class, you need to define a variable here of 6th class or the whole program will crash. Same applies for Tuesday, just we have changed the title to every Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, Sunday. So that's just some very simple stuff in main.py. Now you have join.py, which is a bit advanced. So from here, from info import everything. So what is info, you can see here, it's info.py, import everything here. As I said before, Selenium library we will be using, and Selenium is quite difficult, so I will advise you to watch some tutorials to get started with Selenium. So import Selenium, import time, basic stuff here. And then for joining English, driver.chrome. So it's all Selenium thinks that you need to define a web driver for Chrome and give a path for Chrome where you have saved it. So I have saved in my drive D and then server Chrome driver exe. So you need to download the web drivers as per your browser. So I have downloaded for Chrome and Edge because I use Chrome and Edge, and I will give link for all the web drivers in description, so you make sure you check the description. Then we have driver.get physics. So now, what is physics now? So driver.get is a method to call or to open a URL from web. So wait a minute, that's just something. Okay, so we have here driver.get physics, and we have physics here, and that's basically it. And you need to copy paste for all the classes here. You can change the titles, and if you have beside chemistry, if you have economics, you can just make a new file called eco, and oh wait a minute, you can just go eco, and then you can add a link here for your eco class, just like that. So that's some easy stuff. Once you have done all of that, and yes, a point to be noted that if you are going to use this for Google Meet, all you need to do is to just, here we have Zoom join, you need to customize it to Google join. So these files are written by me and are completely safe, so you can trust it. Google join, and if you are going to use Zoom, you need to go with Zoom join. So that's it. Let's start running it, and I will show you how this exactly works. So let me quickly save some changes here. So yes, now let's start running it, and let's quickly change the timings here for info.py to run on today's timing. So you can see it's Friday 20, and it's, so I will just quickly enter time here for just demo. So it's just a demo, please don't change timings for unnecessary timings. I'm just showing you a demo here. So time is here 23, you can see it's 23. I may add 25 to show you. So here, and one thing I forgot to tell you is this bot will, driver.get physics will open physics class, sleep for 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So it will pause the whole program for 1 minute to just check and let the page load. Then join.zoom, so it will act on Zoom browser or a Zoom web page to join the class. Then time.sleep for 1800 seconds, which is half an hour. Then driver.quit. So what we are doing here is, once your program joins the class, your bot joins the class, you will the program will sleep for 1800 seconds, which is half an hour. So after half an hour, it will automatically quit the class as class ends. So let me just quickly run this up, and here we go. I am activating env, but you don't need to do that. So let's just run payment.py. So you can see here it says Friday, time is 3:24, and let's see. And to be noted that all the timings will be in 24-hour clock. So if you need to get something like 1 a.m., so you will go with 13. So that's just a point to be noted that. And let me quickly just skip the video so you can see the web page opening. So you can see here it's automatically opening Chrome driver. Now it's saying launch Zoom meeting, and let's see what it does. So it should start meeting now, and it says download because it's checking the files now. So okay, so here you can see, okay, done. That's it, guys. And you can see here our bot has joined the class. It says please wait for host to start this meeting and my physics teacher's name. So that is it, guys. After exact half an hour it will leave the class. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will never miss my videos. Thanks for watching.